Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to share screen in Microsoft Teams on iPhone. All right, let's begin. First, open the Microsoft Teams app on your iPhone and make sure you are signed in. From the home screen, locate the meeting you want to join. This can be found in your calendar, chat, or through a meeting link. Tap the meeting and then select Join Now. Once you are inside the meeting, look at the bottom of the screen and tap the three dots icon, which opens more options. From this menu, select Share. You will now see different sharing choices. Tap Screen to continue. A system prompt will appear asking for permission to start screen broadcasting. Confirm this action. After approval, your iPhone screen will be shared with everyone in the meeting. You may notice a red indicator or broadcast icon showing that screen sharing is active. So that's basically how you can share screen in Microsoft Teams on iPhone. That's it for this video. Thanks.